Welcome to our guide on how to effectively use CRM software to streamline your business process and maximize efficiency. CRM or Customer Relationship Management software is a powerful tool designed to help business manage interactions with current and potential customers. CRM software is essential for keeping track of customer data, managing sales pipelines, and improving customer relationships. Now I'm going to share 5 easy steps to use the CRM properly. Step 1. Creating your account. This step involves signing up for a CRM software account. To create an account, users typically provide basic information about their company, such as name, industry, and contact details. They may also choose a subscription plan that best fits their needs, considering factors like the number of users, storage capacity, and available features. Step 2. Importing contacts. After creating an account, the next step is to import existing contact data into the CRM software. This can be done by uploading a spreadsheet or CSV file containing contact information, including names, email addresses, phone numbers, and any other relevant details. The CRM software will then organize this data into a centralized database, making it easily accessible for future use. Step 3. Managing leads and opportunities. In this step, users focus on managing leads and opportunities within the CRM software. Leads refer to potential customers or clients who have expressed interest in the product or service offered by the business. The CRM software allows users to track the progress of leads through the sales pipeline, from initial contact to conversions. Users can assign tasks to team members, set reminders to follow-up actions, and prioritize leads based on their likelihood of conversions. Step 4. Analyzing data and generating reports. CRM software provides robust reporting and analytics tools that enables users to analyze data related to sales performance, customer interactions, and overall business metrics. In this step, users can leverage these tools to generate reports and gain valuable insights into their operations. They can track key performance indicators, identify trends and patterns, and make informed decisions to optimize their sales and marketing strategies. Step 5. Integrating with other tools. This step is crucial for maximizing the efficiency of CRM software. By connecting CRM software with email marketing platforms, accounting software, and other tools used to daily operations, users can streamline process, eliminate redundant tasks, and ensure seamless data flow across different systems. This step involves configuring integrations and setting up workflows to automate tasks and improve productivity. By following these steps and utilizing the features of CRM software effectively, you can streamline your business operations, improve customer relationships, and ultimately drive growth and success. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your business process, and we will see you in the next video.